Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious cowboy fries. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our marinade for our pollo asado. In a blender cup, we're going to add 7 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of Chef Marito chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of New Mexico chili powder, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And to that we're also going to add 1/3 of a cup of lime juice or the juice of 3 limes. And now we're just going to blend everything together. I also forgot, but we're also going to add half a cup of water. Okay, so now blend. Okay, so once we have that, now we are ready to pour it on our chicken. Okay, so we're going to transfer our mixture into our bowl. And I'm going to add half a cup of orange juice. So I'm just going to add it to my cup so that I could get all the rest of the spices, along with half a cup of pineapple juice. Just make sure you get everything out of your blender. And to that we're also going to add 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. So just mix it. And to that we're going to add 1 small white onion and 2 jalapenos. Okay, so now we can add 3 pounds of chicken. And you can use chicken breast or chicken thigh. And just make sure that it gets fully coated with the marinade. Okay, so now we're just going to cover it and allow it to marinate overnight or for at least 4 hours. Alrighty guys, so once the chicken has been marinating for at least 4 hours, now we can get ready to begin cooking. Okay, so here I have my potatoes that I cut into French fries. They've been soaked in cold water for about 30 minutes. So once we have that, now we are ready to begin cooking. Okay, so I'm going to be cooking my chicken inside, but of course you can grill it outdoors as well. So here I have my grill set on medium-high heat, and we're just going to allow it to heat up. Okay, once it heats up, we're going to place our pieces of chicken. And we're going to be cooking our chicken for about 4 minutes on each side. Okay, after 4 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken breast over and allow that side to cook for another 4 minutes. Okay, so after 4 minutes, our chicken should be done. So we're going to remove it from the grill. And we're just going to cover it with foil and allow it to rest. Meanwhile, we can get our potatoes ready. Okay, so now we're just going to make sure that our potatoes are completely dry before frying. So I'm going to place them on a kitchen towel and just pat them dry. And once we have that ready, we can get our oil ready. Okay, so to fry our potatoes, we're going to grab our frying pan, set it on medium heat, and add enough oil to cover the potatoes. And once it's nice and hot, we're going to throw in our potatoes and begin frying. And just make sure that you have them in a single layer. Now just fry until they're nice and golden. Okay, so once our fries are done, we're going to remove them from the oil. We're just going to add a little bit of salt. Make sure that you shake them. And we're going to repeat the process to all the rest of our fries. Okay, so once we have everything ready, now we are ready to cut our chicken. So I'm just going to cut into bite-sized pieces. Alright, so once we have our chicken ready, now we can get ready for the fun part. And I'm going to be using a little skillet. I'm going to place my French fries on top of the skillet. I'm going to add medium cheddar cheese. Now I'm just going to stick it in the oven and allow that cheese to melt. Alrighty, and after a few minutes it's ready, so now we can top it. Okay, so I'm just going to top it with some sour cream. And I'm going to add the chicken. Along with the grilled onion and jalapenos. And of course you can top it with whatever you want, but we're going to keep it simple. Going to add a little more cheese. And just like that, now we can enjoy our delicious cowboy fries. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. Of course, you have to make sure that you eat it, as soon as you serve it, but hope you give it a try. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. The perfect combination. The chicken, the jalapenos, the fries, everything is perfect. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious cowboy fries. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.